You can always depend on the Locksmith Cranford, New Jersey to fix any locks that need fixing or installing any doorknob knocks that need knobbing. It does not matter what style or year of production in which your lock was made. The locksmiths will be able to make all repairs necessary. In addition, we mean it, you can expect the very same quality service in regard to chastity belts. Our emergency pros are prepared to satisfy your sex-starved wife's demands. We can install any type of lock in any manner that any customer demands. However, this is not entirely true, as modern professionals are well versed with the technology that allows them to handle car lock repair services. So call us at Locksmith Cranford, New Jersey at 201-706-7087.